And you, what is up mga kapotpot? So Mr. Kalakal here, and welcome to the vlog. Okay guys, so presenting to you on this video is Felicia, or itong ating Royal Enfield Himalayan or Himalayan. And today we're gonna talk about bike ownership of this bike. Okay, so ano yung mga feedbacks ko or ano yung mga different opinions ko upon owning the bike. Okay, so to those of you who just tuned into this channel, my name is Mr. Kalakal, and I do moto vlog and a little bit of in between. Alright, so ano nangyari dun sa stoplight? Okay guys, so ngayong umaga guys, papunta tayo ng Royal Enfield Service Center dahil itong bike natin, si Felicia, tumagas na yung fork. Sakit. Okay, so tumagas na yung fork niya, and medyo kakaiba yung ano niya, kakaiba yung handling. So it's been a while kasi na huling ginamit ko to. Huling matinong ride na gamit ko dito was yung breakfast ride namin, and yung what do you call this, breakfast ride and yung charity, or yung joint outreach namin with different RE groups sa what do you call this, San Mateo. I'm late for my appointment, that's why. Well, I'm not a morning person, kaya hirap na hirap talaga ako pagka umaga. So we're also gonna talk about the maintenance of the bike. Paano ba ang maintenance, or is it costly to maintain a such bike? So yung mga nagbabalak din mga mag big bike dyan, so dito mapapag-usapan din natin yan. Okay, so for the meantime, tayo magbabiyahe muna at dahil tayo late na sa ating appointment sa service center, so medyo mahirap mag-book pero sana ma-accommodate pa tayo dun. Alright, okay guys, Bonnie Avenue, approaching the Mandaluyong what do you call this, Mandaluyong Rotonda. Ito yung City Hall ng Manda, and hopefully ma-accommodate pa tayo dahil we're about 15 minutes late na. Well anyway, so back to our topic. The bike is a 2019 model, and wait lang, dito ba yun? Hindi pa dito. 2019 model, and maintenance wise medyo marami na tayong napagawa. Alright, go ahead. Medyo marami na tayong napagawa. What are those? Yung mga major lang naman muna, since second hand ko nabili to, yun yung unang na observe dun sa service center is yung knuckle bearing. So we were able to replace the knuckle bearing. The part was about 3,000 and the labor was also 3,000, kaya medyo madugo-dugo. Okay, as compared dun sa mga small bikes natin na mas murang maintenance, dito medyo expect nyo na though it's only a 410cc bike, pero wala lang, since yun nga, service center is the one who supposedly they are the one who's knowledgeable enough to service the bike. So dun ko lang siya pinapagawa. Minsan nadala ko to kay Jason sa Rusi Junction, napatune up ko na rin. Then nung napatune up ko nga dun niya na isolate, dun niya na diagnose na sliding clutch na. So ganun din, wala siyang, hindi katulad ng yung mga ibang bikes natin dati, diba? Yung may mga counterpart or yung mga may kasukat. So ganun din, basta minimum naka 6,000 or 8,000 yata tayo sa pagpalit ng clutch. So okay, ginamit ko na pang La Union ko. So ano ba nangyari? Oh, something's wrong. Magkahulihan. Okay, so nagamit ko sa La Union yung breakfast ride namin. Now after the nung starting December, hindi ko na siya ginamit dahil yun nga namumroblema, tumagas yung fork niya. So yun yung agenda natin for today's service center. Ang isang fork seal 1,300, ang isang dust seal 1,000. So pair yan lagi. So that's 4,600 plus the labor na 3,000, 7,600, fork oil pa, and yung PMS pa. So malamang sa malamang mga nasa 11 to 12,000 to. So mamaya share ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa and magkano inabot. Okay, so hindi ko kayo dinediscourage. Well, ganun talaga pag the more you go for a bigger displacement, the more na medyo mas mahal yung maintenance niya. Okay, so kaya matagal ko siya hindi ginamit. I have to save up. Just an average one who's earning na saktuhan lang, kaya hindi ko siya pa napagawa ng December. And it so happened that we have a ride sa Liliw, Laguna next week. Papagawa ko yung fork, and at the same time makagawa tayo ulit ng mga content together with Felicia. Okay, sa mga nagtatanong, is Himalayan Himalayan ideal bike for beginner, lalo na yung mga gusto maglaki ng displacement? Yes, it is. Kasi yung ergonomics niya, yung seating position niya, yung riding position niya is very comfortable and mababa. Mataas yung, mukhang mataas, deceiving mukhang mataas yung motor pero mababa siya. Mababa yan. Flat foot ako dito Hindi lang ako makapwesto ng maayos because of my because of my paltos. And ang traffic sobra. And we are here, service center. Ayan Mel Macato in the house. Hi. Right side. Hi Doc. Good morning. Ang bilis mo, maaga ka. Alright, we're here. Ang hirap mag-drive. May pigsa ako dito. Kaya nakaganyan ako. Alright boys, so nandito na tayo sa service center ng Royal Enfield. And yan na siya. So this is Felicia, Doc's bike. Sinimula na yung bike mo? Alright, balikan ko kayo mamaya. Babush. Alright, present na tayo dito sa service center. So dito sila Boss Rodel and si Madam. And, so gastos time. Alright, so we're done na dito sa Royal Enfield Service Center. And Felicia is already okay. So nagawa na tong kanyang fork or yung front suspension, courtesy of course Rodel and Diane. So si Alvin is somewhere there. Hindi na tayo nagre-ready na. Vin, thank you. So yan, bring your bikes here dito kay Rodel sa service center. para mas alam nila yung gagawin as always. Okay, so ready to ride and roll na to si Felicia sa aming ride sa Laguna. But for the meantime, ako diretso uwi na dahil ako yung masakit ang aking pigsa. Medyo mahirap magtukod nito ngayon. Okay, so the service center, i-waste nyo na lang din. Dito lang yan sa mga RE owners. Dito ang service center nila sa may Mandaluyong. Yun. Hirap tumukod. Alright, good to go. Thank you. So hindi pa kasi tayo kumakain, kaya sobrang nangihina ako. Yung traffic tong uwi natin. Okay, approaching Bonnie Tunnel. And wala lang, na-miss ko yung ano, yung andar nito ni Felicia. Tayo natin si Bray. Alright, Barangay San Antonio na tayo ulit, guys. Iliban tayo sa traffic. Ay nako. So UANP, yun lang, pagka yung ganitong traffic situation, nakakamiss yung ano eh, nakakamiss gumamit ng scooter. Alright, so going back to our topic, bike ownership. Yun lang talaga, for an average one like me, dapat may mga nakaprepare tayong funds if in case may mga ganito tayong gastusin sa mga bikes natin. Dahil yun nga, katulad yan, front suspension lang inabot ng 8.6, so I don't earn that big, pero kailangan pagawa dahil para magamit natin. Okay, San Miguel Avenue. Uy, traffic, yari. Ang sakit. Okay, lapit na tayo sa bahay. Tapos na ang pagtitiis. And we are here. Ayan, kasama natin si Brian. So shoutout kay Brian Chang. And siya nga pala, yung mga activities namin ni Brian Chang, pinopost namin doon sa Facebook page namin, yung Mr. Kalakal, yung Facebook fan page natin. Bye bye. So para updated kayo, if you wanna hang out and join our quickie adventure, so feel free to hang out. No discrimination naman tayo, any bikes are welcome. Open for other bikes naman siya. And we are here. Alrighty, dito na tayo. Grabing sakit talaga, promise. Whew. Okay, so we're here na sa parking ulit. And di lang ako makapagsalita na maayos kanina dahil tukod tayo sa traffic. At the same time, masakit ng hita ko. So overall, So, basically yun lang talaga eh. If you would be jumping into a bigger displacement bike, you should at least prepare or magsubi-subi kayo na extra budget if in case that you will have an emergency repair. Meron tayong pagbubunutan, especially ngayon pandemic season. Like hindi ko alam paano bubunutan to. It's a good thing nagtipid tayo ng Christmas, simpleng handaan lang, so kaya natin na pagawa tong fork natin na ito. So imagine niyo, fork seal and dash seal and fork oil lang 869 na abot. Okay, so as compared nun yung bike natin, ayan pala sa updates lang, ayun yung si Basha natin, yung Rusi Classic 250. Ito si Sasha, yung ER6N natin 650, and si Blanca yung ating NMAX. Ito yung last purchase natin for the year 2020. So ayan siya. Pero ito si Felicia, madalas ko nang gagamitin para mapuntahan ko at mapasyalan namin ni Bray yung mga grupo from north and south. So guys, if you guys are watching, feel free to send us an invite, and pipilitin namin i-cover or i-feature yung mga grupo ninyo or yung mga activities ninyo, and we'll be happy to hang out with you. Okay, so yan, tandem kami ni Ibray. Ito akin, yan ang sa kanya. Si Sasha ang papagamit natin. Okay, so basically yun lang. Ownership, in terms of yung happiness level niya, syempre since it's a big displacement, iba pa rin, rewarding siya if you are using or riding such bike. Pero in terms of yung maintenance niya, from 1 to 10, I'd give it a 7. At my state, I'm just an average 1, typical Pinoy lang ako na saktuan lang din ang kita. I'm not that rich, or I'm not rich, para kaya nga hindi tayo nakapag-upgrade masyado ng mga bikes last year. Okay, so I suggest, yun nga, subi kayo dahil hindi nyo alam kung kailan nyo gagamitin. At least tuloy-tuloy yung ligaya nyo. We're talking about yung per se natin as a rider or such incident na yun nga, may mga bikes tayo. Okay, so I guess I'll be ending the vlog from here, and sana mayroon kayong na-enjoy or meron kayong na-pick up from our discussion. And for now, this is Felicia. Since okay na siya, I'm gonna use it more often sa aming mga expressway ride ni Brian. And again, if you have any event or may mga activities kayo, or you wanna get featured, your club wanna get featured, your group wanna get featured, please feel free to invite us. And yung mga gusto mag-hang around with ni Bryant, check nyo lang yung schedule na pinopost ko sa FB page natin, and then yan, let's hang out together. Of course, pandemic pa din, let's observe social distancing. Okay, so bueno mga kapotpot, I guess I'll be ending the vlog from here. And once again, this is your boy Mr. Kalakal, Felicia, now signing off. Ciao. Whee! So good night everyone, ride safe, and God bless palagi. Peace. Babush. Good night.